How's it going, musicians? Christopher from the Musician's Corner here, coming to you guys with another new tutorial of something basic, something not basic, but something very simple that everyone can get into and everyone can enjoy. First off, I would like to say I do apologize for my absence. I've been away for a little bit, working on different things, producing music and making beats and things of that sort. I've actually got into beat making and making beats for different genres. So R&B, hip hop, trap and all that. And I'm just trying to find a balance between the two. So keeping that page alive and keeping this YouTube page alive. So that's why you guys have not seen a lot of new videos of other musicians or other places I've visited, different churches or things of that sort. But if you are inquiring or looking into, or you know someone that is into that type of thing, then you can show them, visit them, send them to whiteboybeats.com, or you can follow me on Instagram at whiteboybeats with a Z, or you can check my YouTube page out, whiteboybeats. Okay. So without further ado, we're going to get into this congregational song tutorial of I Want to Live So God Can Use Me. It's in the key of F. Ooh. Missed a note. All right, so I'm going to play the song out, and then I will show you guys the chords and numbers. Okay, so here we go. Ooh, sorry, messed up. Do apologize for that. It's a little late. It's a big latency problem in my MIDI keyboard and this application. So if you guys can just bear with me, I'll break everything down. Okay. So to begin, we got I want to live so God can use me anywhere, Lord, anytime. So you got I want to live so. So to start off, you're bouncing off from pretty much the for F, D, and C, which is also your 1, 5, and 6. So you're doing that, and then your right hand, you're going to bounce off from the 1 and the 4. Okay, so you have I want to live so I can use me. Ooh, sorry. I want to live so and that little walking bass line walk around, you'll start from the 6, then you'll go to I think if I'm mistaken, it's 2-5-1. So so you're gonna walk from the 5 to the 6 after you hit that diminished right there. So and then you can go, or you can walk it down the other way. Either way works. So in the right hand doing that, you have your 1, like I said, bouncing off from your 1 and your 4. Okay, and what I did there, this is a F minor. This is a G minor chord. So inverted, you have here. Alright, so that's also your 1, your 2, and back to your 1. So and this is just your 4 chord, and then I just add the F at the top. Your diminished flat 5, which is A flat, B, D, and F in your right hand, and then you're gonna hit B in your bass in your left hand. So. Hit the 1 once I hit to get to the 5 in my bass, then I'll walk up and then hit. Alright, and what I'm doing there is when I get to the 5, I hit the 1, walk up half step to the and walk up half step and go to the 6. When I hit the 6, I'm going to hit the 1 in my right hand, which is going to be C, F, and A. Alright, so. Okay, next you're going to go to the 1 minor, inverted 1 minor, and we're going to walk a half step. From a half step up to the 2, we're going to hit F sharp and go to G. Alright? Okay? And then back to the 5. And of course you got the 2 minor chord inverted. And that's the, and in your left hand you're walking a half step down from the 5. And then back to the 1. And you got your walk up. Sorry about that. Okay, and pretty much if you know your circle of 4ths, you can do this, and then in key. And the walk up is simple. It's a basic walk up, but it'll help you play a lot of congregational songs in all your keys. And like I said, it's just a circle. It's pretty much a circle of 4ths. Okay, but you just add the half note below the note that you're going to, and it'll add a little bit more flavor and give it a little bit more oomph to it. So. Okay, so playing that song in full, I'm gonna live so. Okay, I hope this video helped you guys out. I'll be trying to do a lot more tutorials and uploading a lot more videos. I appreciate you guys subscribing to the channel and supporting every video that I have up here. And I promise I will be doing a lot more videos, a lot more tutorials. As I grow and as I learn, you guys will also learn as well. Alright, and as I say in my other channel, never let the lack of resources limit you from pursuing your dreams. Alright, this is Christopher from the Musician's Corner, and I'll see you guys in the next video.